Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 of the coolest DeWalt tools that will blow your mind. From powerful cordless gear to innovative designs, these tools show why DeWalt is a true leader in the game. Plastic tubing cutter. Ever wished cutting plastic pipes felt cool? Meet the plastic tubing cutter. This beast chops through up to 2-inch pipes like butter. With 400 cuts per charge, LED lights for dark corners, and dual cutting modes, it's 3 times faster than your old cutter and 10 times more fun to use. Pipe deburring tool. The pipe deburring tool offers advanced performance, handling pipes up to 33% larger and 60% more material types. It features a variable speed switch, rust-resistant blades, and inner-outer deburring functions for smooth results. It ensures precise, durable, and safe operation across a wide range of applications. Impact driver. Tired of stubborn screws laughing at your old driver? Meet the impact driver, the torque monster that's 66% stronger and 63% faster. With 3-speed control, variable trigger, and a wild 2,500 inch-pounds of torque, it doesn't just drive screws, it scares them into place. GRABO lifter. Lifting heavy stuff? Forget the grunt work. The GRABO lifter sucks up to 265 pounds like a pro, sticking to tiles, glass, or metal with ease. With smart pressure sensors, LED display, lift hooks, and a low battery alert, it's the vacuum-powered hero saving your back. One lift at a time. Concrete nailer. The concrete nailer is a gas-free, battery-powered tool that delivers consistent power for concrete and steel applications. It features adjustable pin depth, a brushless motor with up to 600 shots per charge, dual LED work lights, and a 33-pin magazine offering fast, versatile, and reliable performance without fuel cells. Wet Center Core Drill Bit Set. The 3-speed core drill kit is designed for tough coring jobs, making holes up to 6 3/8 inches in reinforced concrete. It features a 3-speed gear selector for better control and an anti-rotation system for safety. The drill works in tight spaces for clean pipe pass-throughs and includes wireless tool control for managing water. Concrete Power SCREED Kit. Say goodbye to lumpy concrete. The Concrete Power SCREED Kit smooths and levels like a pro, hitting up to 7,800 VPM with 180-degree rotating handles for comfy control. Cordless and compatible with multiple bars and boards, it turns tough, finishing jobs into a breeze. Your concrete has never looked this good. Core Drill Bit Holder Kit. Tight space? No problem. The Core Drill Bit Holder Kit locks your 60-volt, 6 3/8 inch drill in place with a vacuum base, adjustable angles from -5 degrees to +45 degrees, and quick height tweaks. Slim design, removable wheels, and top water control make wet drilling easy. It's like giving your drill a VIP setup. Vibrator. Shake things up. The PowerShift Vibrator kit powers through concrete with 12,000 VPM and a 2 1/4 inch head, making tough pours effortless. Durable roll cage, wireless control, quick change heads, and a handy carry strap keep you moving. Low battery alerts mean no surprises. It's concrete work made smooth and stress-free. Aviation Snips. The Ergo Aviation Snip is designed for cutting tough materials like aluminum, vinyl siding, cardboard, leather, copper, and 18 to 22 gauge sheet metal with 15% less muscle effort. Its serrated cutting edge prevents slipping, while the slip-resistant grip ensures comfort and control. Pro Adhesive Anchors. The Pro Adhesive Anchors are designed for use with standard threaded rods on concrete and masonry, approved by ETA for M8 to M24 rods under static and quasi-static loading. The cartridge design allows multiple uses with an extra mixing nozzle for quick and simple installation. XR Nailer Stapler. The XR Nailer Stapler features a compact, lightweight, and ergonomic design for comfortable use while remaining durable for job site conditions. It offers sequential mode for precise placement and bump mode for fast operation, reaching up to 4 nails per second. The brushless motor ensures low maintenance and up to 57% longer life than conventional brush motors. Critical Connection Undercut Anchors. The DeWalt Critical Connection Undercut Anchor is a post-installed structural anchor for static, dynamic, and seismic loads in cracked or uncracked concrete. Available in carbon and stainless steel, it installs into a fixed depth hole with a specialty drill bit, providing strong load transfer, close edge spacing, and enhanced shear capacity. Water Pressure Washer. Blast away grime like a pro. The water pressure washer packs 3,400 psi at 2.5 GPM with a 208cc engine and pressure-ready tech for hassle-free setup. Quick start trigger, LED smart panel, and a maintenance-free pump make decks, patios, and siding sparkle. Cleaning has never been this satisfying or this fun. 9-inch cutoff saw. The 9-inch cutoff saw delivers powerful battery-powered performance for concrete and masonry cutting without the hassles of gas. It features a dual-sided water delivery system for OSHA-compliant dust management, a rotatable 5-position guard for optimal visibility in tight spaces, and a latched sealed battery box for protection. Combination Hammer. The DeWalt Combination Hammer delivers 6.1 joules of impact energy for fast drilling and chipping in hard concrete. It features an anti-rotation E-clutch, vibration-reducing shock system, and a lightweight design for horizontal drilling, chipping, and dry coring up to 3 inches, with a durable brushless motor for reliable performance. Air Compressor Kit. Nail it like a pro. The DeWalt Air Compressor Kit brings cordless power with a brushless motor and oil-free pump, firing up to 1,220 nails per charge. Lightweight, quiet, and built tough with a roll cage and one-turn regulator, it's precision and convenience rolled into one. Handheld Blower. Blow away the mess. The handheld blower hits up to 423 cubic feet per minute at 129 miles per hour, with a flat nozzle boosting speed to 175 miles per hour for stubborn debris. Lightweight, ergonomic, and powered by a brushless motor with variable speed control, it keeps your yard clean while maximizing runtime and comfort. Area Light. The LED area light delivers up to 7,000 lumens and can operate corded or cordless, making it ideal for poorly lit job sites. It offers instant on-off, dimming to 500 lumens, and adjustable right-left light control. With Bluetooth connectivity, it can be controlled remotely via a mobile app and used to track tools, materials, and equipment. Insulator Protective Eyewear. The DeWalt Insulator. Protective eyewear provides a low-profile design that won't interfere with headgear, featuring anti-fog and anti-scratch lenses for clear vision. A soft rubber gasket protects against splash, dust, and debris, while the adjustable head strap ensures a secure and comfortable fit for long workdays. That's it for our look at the 20 coolest DeWalt tools. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Chop Busters for more awesome tool content. Thanks for watching.